Good morning, Bondhugon. How are you? I hope that everyone is fine in lockdown. And today is Sunday, so it's time to Sunday special menu. So today I'm going to make tandoori pomfret, and there is a twist about that. I am making tandoori pomfret in two different ways. One in microwave and another is direct in the gas burner. So let's go to the kitchen. To make two types of tandoori pomfret, we have to marinate first, and the marination for the two types are same. For that, I am taking pomfret fish 2 in medium size. Then I am going to add yogurt 1 tablespoon. Then I am going to add ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Then I am going to add tandoori masala 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili. To bring a red color, we are taking 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. We are going to take garam masala half tablespoon of, salt as per taste, lemon juice, kasuri methi 1 tablespoon, black pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Then the final thing, we are going to add mustard oil 1 tablespoon. Now I am going to marinate with the using of hand. Put the marination inside of the fish. Marination is ready. Now we have to take it for rest at least 30 minutes. The first process that I am going to make the tandoori pomfret in microwave. To make it in a microwave, first I am going to preheat the microwave at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. 200 degree for 10 minutes. Marination is ready. Now I am going to add some flour as a binding agent to stick all the marination into the fish. The preheat is almost done. I am just take a baking tray and brush some oil into the top of it. Now I am going to add the pomfret fish into the top of it. Now I am going to bake it for 10 minutes. If your microwave goes up to 200 degrees Celsius, then 10 minutes is enough to cook a pomfret fish in this size. So I am kept it into the microwave. Now I am going to close the lid and put the temperature on 200 degrees for 10 minutes and start. Five minutes have done. Now I have to pause the cooking and remove the tray to see the progress. Wow, what a smell! 10 minutes have done. Now I am going to take it from the oven. Wow, it's done. Now I am brush some butter into the top of it. Then I am going to flip it. Wow. We are going to add some more marination. add little bit of butter. Then we are going to grill it for 2 minutes just. Your tandoori pomfret is ready in microwave process. Now put the tray back into the microwave. Close the lid. Put it on grill 2 to 3 minutes and start. The grill process is completed. Now I am going to check whether it is done or not. Wow, you can check this. It is absolutely beautiful. And at the end of the video I am going to teach you a trick called smoke method. For that you will get a smoky flavor like restaurant. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. So এটা ছিল first, now go to the second. Now I am going to teach you the second process, that is direct flame method to make tandoori pomfret. In direct flame method I am taking a grill and brush it with butter. Now I am take the stand upper of the burner and I am going to on the burner. Always make sure that your flame is low. Then I am going to add the fish into the top of it. Put some marination. Put the flame into the low and just leave it and watch it carefully that it must be cooked very well. Do it like this. Within 5 minutes, one side will complete cooked, and the upper portion I am going to add little bit of butter. It almost cooked from the one side. Now I am going to flip it and cook the other side. Be carefully. Look at this. Wow, just delicious. I am going to brush some butter into the top of it. Absolutely delicious. To get this burning flavor, sometime increase the flame for 1 to 2 seconds and it will give a smoky flavor on it. Brush butter continuously to keep it moist. Now it is also cooked and I am going to add a smoky flavor by smoking it. Let's go and see how can I do it. I am going to transfer the pomfret pieces into the plate. Now I am going to smoke it. This is a hot charcoal and I am going to add little bit of ghee into the top of it, then cover it with a lid. It is absolutely ready. Now I am going to serve it with some grilled onion. two different way to make tandoori pomfret now is ready. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time. And কেমন লাগলো সবার? I hope that everyone will enjoy that, and please try at home and let me know in the comment section that what is about your experience, and please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. Bye bye.